Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this really colorful look for you guys. I wanted to do something colorful, and bold and out there. I'm going to try and do more colorful looks because, as you guys know, if you've been following me on my channel, you know that I love colorful looks. But anyways, let's get right into this one. So first off, I've gone in to prime my eyelids with my Snazaro white face paint, and I've blended that out. So my first color I'm going to go into, most of the eyeshadows I'm going to be using for this look are from Star Crushed Minerals, and the first shade I'm using from Star Crushed Mineral is Maroon Matte. I'm just going to use that as my transition color, packing that shade on my crease line. Then I'm going to just cut my crease with that white face paint, prepping it for the other shadows to come. So my first shade now is going to be Solar Dust, and this is a really bright yellow shade still from Star Crushed Minerals. I'm just packing that in my inner corners and taking it into my eyelids a bit. Once I'm done with blending that color, I'm going into this shade called Orange Oasis, and I'm just going to use that to blend out the yellow and also add some more color. So once I'm done blending out that orange shade and blending it thoroughly, because that's the beauty of all these colorful shades, you have to blend each color into each other so there are no harsh lines. I'm going into the next shade, which is Virtuous, and this is a very bright pink shade. I'm just going to apply that next to the orange just to create some more vibrance. As usual, blend all the colors into each other. So once I'm done blending that Virtuous shade, I'm going into this, it's a reddish pink blush that I've had. So I'm just going to apply that just right after the pink shade, just to further blend out that pink color. Then now going into this shade called Royal Blue from Star Crushed Minerals, I'm just going to apply that shadow next and blending it into the other two shadows, the pink and the reddish pink shadow I applied earlier. So once I'm done applying that royal blue shade, the next color I'm going into is this shade called Audacious Plum. It's a really nice, deep, rich purpley plum color. So I'm applying that on my outer corners of my eye and, as usual, blending it through. So guys, this is what the eye looks like, and today I'm using this beautiful 3D mink lashes from Sean's Beauty. I just had to come up close and show you guys. The link to my review on the lashes, I'm going to put it above, so if you'd like to see my review of the lashes, click the link above. So now to finish off the eyes, I'm done with my face. I did everything off camera, and yeah, so if you would like a face routine or a foundation routine, please do let me know in the comment section. So anyways, to finish off the eyes, I went in with this yellow gold from Nuban Beauty on my inner corners, and now I'm just lining my waterline with my black opal precision eyeliner pencil in Licorice. So now to finish my lower lashes, I'm going to go into this really beautiful shimmery teal shade, still from that Nuban Beauty Obsession palette. But first I'm going into my Snazaro white face paint just to create a base for the shadows I'm going to put on my lower lash line. So I applied the blue shadow, and my video, actually I didn't know my video wasn't recording. So anyways, after applying the blue shadow, I applied the royal blue next, and then the Audacious Plum, just to tell you guys how I achieved the lower lash line. So once that is done, this is how the eye look is looking. Very colorful, very vibrant. My camera was just doing nonsense and trying to play me. But anyways, to finish off, I'm just going to highlight my brow bone and blend that out so there are no harsh lines.
Jabba, my lover, she get the dollar, she a wear designer.
Okay guys, so I changed my top and I'm gonna do my Insta magic or my YouTube magic and put up my wig. Yep. So, ooh, yes, honey, looking good. Okay, guys, now onto the lips. So for my lips, I'm going in with this black opal precision pencil, and this is in French Roast. I'm going to use that to line my lips. Then going into this NYX lip pencil in Club Hopper. I'm going to line my lips and also fill in my lip too with that pencil. So for my first lipstick shade, I'm going in with this Milani matte lipstick in Innocence. I'm just going to apply that on my lips, then topping that up with this Cage Cosmetics liquid matte lipstick in Creme. I'm just going to apply that on top of that. Then once I'm done applying that creme lipstick, because I love a good glossy, like for some reason I'm just loving glossy lips nowadays. Matte lips are just like, even if I do matte lips, I always want to just top it up with gloss. Anyways, I'm just going to go in with this Cage Cosmetics lip gloss in Femme, and yeah, this is my finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and how this look turned out. I'm gonna try and do some more colorful and vibrant looks for you guys. I hope you guys would enjoy seeing all these looks I get to create for you guys. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, thumbs up and like are the same thing. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Who knows, somebody might just learn from it. Until my next video, guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful. I love you guys. Bye.
Steady driving the local, them are taking my photo, yeah, like a girl in particular, yeah, you in particular, say like your waist in particular, yeah. I am looking for a sister, Jabba my lover, she get the dollar, she a wear designer.